Hi everyone, and welcome to this FAQ from Mavin on our usage tab. We've got that right up here. You might have noticed it, and while that might not seem like the most enthralling part of the system, I think we've actually built a pretty cool way of managing what can sometimes be a daunting number of files. So we're going to take a look here. You'll see pretty standard stuff at the top, including max storage, remaining, etc., and the percentage shown in this bar graph. But what's really cool is that you can actually search through your layers, not just by name, which I'll do here real quick just to show you. You'll see it auto-populates, but also by size. And that can be really helpful, particularly when it comes to watching how much you're spending. You can find those layers that are going to be really big and will be driving up your cost. Uh, Generally, for those of you who aren't familiar with mapping, that's going to be with your raster layers. You'll see here in mine, for example, that we have all these big files, and those are satellite images. But then once you get out of the raster stuff, it gets small pretty quick. See, bike routes, and these are considered huge vector files, these ones down here. So like this one, for example, is every bike route in all of New York City, so it's a little bigger. But if you keep going all the way down, you'll see they get pretty tiny for some of the smaller vector files. Why that's important? Again, you can manage your files in terms of which ones are incurring you the most cost, and get rid of some if you need to watch your cost. We are a for-profit business, but we don't want you to be spending money that you don't need to be spending, and we've made that, I'd like to think, as intuitive as possible here in the usage tab. So with that, that's pretty much all you got to know here. Obviously, do remember that it's not just that first page. You want to go pan back and forth, and you can adjust the number of rows so that you can see them all lined up neatly there. That's it for the usage tab. And as always, if you've got any questions or comments on how we could do our job better, do not hesitate to reach out to either me directly at fletcher@apollomapping.com or to our team via support@mapmaven.com. Thanks, guys.